Your knowledge base may contain hundreds of articles that go through multiple edits and revisions throughout its lifetime. It's important to keep track of these changes for multiple reasons. For one, it'll give you a clear picture of all new changes made to an article as it evolves. Secondly, having a history of each article version ensures that you can revert to an old version if something goes wrong or the new article needs to be taken down and replaced with a previous version. With Document 360, you don't have to worry about putting too much manual intervention into this process because it's all handled behind the scenes. Anytime you edit an article, Document 360 creates a new article version. Clicking on View History will show you the article evolution from the date it was created all the way to its latest state, including team members who have been involved in each version. The workflow history provides even more data on the stages of this article and the team members who worked on it within this version. To demonstrate how all this works, let's go ahead and edit this article. Now we are working with the latest version of this article. Let's make some updates to this article by adding, removing, and updating some information. It's easy to open any of the previous versions in the article history by simply clicking Open. But what if we want to compare the changes we made in the latest version to one of the previous versions? This is very simple and also powerful. Click View History and just select the latest version and the version to compare it to, and click Compare. The resulting Document Difference Viewer will clearly display the differences in both articles. Here you can view the rendered difference, which clearly shows the differences between the articles using red and green color highlights. There is also the code difference depending on the editor you chose. Consider another scenario where your documentation was affected negatively due to a user error. The article was edited and the content was overwritten incorrectly, and it must be taken down and replaced by an older version. Thanks to the way Document 360 handles the article versioning and history, it's as simple as forking a previous version and publishing the correct content. You can also erase article versions by clicking Delete. Bulk deletion of multiple article versions are possible by selecting them from the View History panel as long as they are not published articles. As a project admin or owner, you can control access and manage permissions to article versioning by assigning roles to your content writers. In the Users and Security settings, under the Content role, let's create a new role named Article Versioning. Under Article, select Fork Article, which will also enable any other associated permissions, and click Finish. Now we can assign this role by going into Team Accounts and Groups and selecting Edit on a team account. Click Manage Content Roles and Permissions and add Content Access. Here we can assign the new role we created and define whether access is given at a project level or only to a specific version, language, or category. With Document 360, you can create as many article versions as you require. Having said that, managing huge volumes of continuously updating documentation can become cumbersome to handle. The article version and history management built into Document 360 is created to do exactly that, and can handle even the largest of knowledge base sites so that your business can also evolve.